Okay, so I can already tell you that I really like the design of the hat press a lot better than another one that I've used before. I won't name any names, but that one has a big, heavy, round ball that you just stretch the hat over before pressing, and I honestly found it super awkward. That's why you probably only see me use it once. It just wasn't user friendly. So right off the bat, this new setup is a big win for me. I love that it comes with 2 interchangeable pressing forms. One is for the smaller hat and the other is for a larger hat. So you're not stuck with just one option. And the fact that it's an all-in-one unit makes it even better. You just grab your hat, press, that's it, super easy. So let me show you guys a closer look, and then we're gonna go ahead and make a hat. So this is the nice looking machine, and it is about 6.5 by a little under 4 in size, and it comes with 2 interchangeable inserts. This one is the smaller one, and this is the larger one. And it also has a digital temp and timer controls, and it comes with safety gloves. So we're gonna set this up. I'm gonna show you how to change this. We're gonna go ahead and do a hat, and I'm gonna walk you through how to use it. So this has these little screws on each side. So we're just going to unscrew that, and then it just pulls up. So these are the 2 sizes. And I think this one's more for like a man, and this would probably be for a woman and children hats. It just really depends. So we're gonna go ahead and place this right here, and we're going to screw this back in. Super easy. Let's get the other side. So this is perfect. And we're gonna go ahead and take a hat just so I can show you the setup. So you're gonna place the hat just like this. So this will go right over here. You know what? I could have actually used this side. So let's do that. Now you know how to switch it, but I think I like this part just because it has cushion that's a little bit further. I like the base being wider. So let's go ahead and move this. So I would say mostly this is probably for children. And then I would say the larger one is just adults. It is super easy to change them, as you can see. So you would take the hat, and it would be placed just right over here. So you would have the base here. And then back here, there is, you can see right here, let's loosen this hat so I can show you. So this can actually stretch over here. So it goes just like that. And then you're stretching the hat more. So you have a better control over the hat. That is super, super good. All right, then we would just place this just like so. And then this right here is where you tighten it for a stronger pressure. So we would do that. It looks like we're ready, you guys. These are the 2 iron-ons that I got. I ordered them both from Amazon. This is super cute. I thought we could just do a letter or a name on the hat. And then this little one has such really cute ones in here, but there's one that I actually really liked. So let me show it to you. We'll do that one first. Originally, I bought this adorable iron-on at Dollar Tree. Let me show you. It was so cute. I thought this would be so cute on a hat. And I was, see, isn't that so freaking cute? But when I was looking at the back after I already bought it and brought it home, it says that when you press this, you have to press this from the opposite side. Otherwise, they said don't put pressure on the pearls because it would break it. And I wanted to maybe try it, but I don't think I will. So, but this is super cute, isn't it? I thought that was really cute. This one I like. I thought this was cute, limited edition. And oh, that's cute too, somebody's problem. These are cute. I like these. I like all of them, but I'm thinking of doing limited edition. So what I plan to do, we're going to heat it up, and this temperature for here should be 315, and we're gonna do 20 seconds. So we're just gonna turn this on right here. Just push the button, and then you can program everything here. So let me go ahead and move the camera so you can see that better. So hopefully you can see this better. So we would just press, let's go ahead and press OK, and we're going to adjust this. And I think I told you 310 or 315. So you can just hold it to go faster. Okay, so 315, okay. And then we wanna do for 30 or 20 seconds. So we're gonna just push this down. Okay, so we're just gonna let this preheat. It shouldn't take long at all. Okay guys, so I did change the temperature because I was wrong. It's 330 for these patches. So it's at 330 degrees. We're just gonna go ahead and do like a 10-second pre-press, which is good, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and take this patch, and I do want to use some tape just to make sure. So I'm just gonna fold this in half, just like this, so we know it's centered, and then place it down, okay? And be careful, that's hot. We're gonna tape it on all 4 sides. So this looks perfect. We're gonna go ahead, press it down, and we're going to tighten it to a tighter pressure. And we're gonna do it for, I think, what did it say, 30 seconds, did you guys see? And this is a cold peel too, so we have to let it cool for about a minute or 2. Okay, that looks really good. That looks really good, I like it. That was super good, you guys. That was my first one. So let's go ahead, we're gonna take this off. Look at that, so cute. And that was so easy. So we're just gonna set this aside and get the other one ready before I remove that tape. Same color hat. So we're gonna loosen this again in the back. And that just helps attach to this part down here so it gets a better grip. It's like stretching it better so it's, and we're gonna go ahead, pre-press for 10 seconds. I have to say this was so easy. I really, really like it. It's so cute. Now this is the first time I've used this. Whoops, a little bit too long because we're just pre-pressing it. I'm tempted to just use one of these instead of the bling, because I don't really, I think I don't want this. I think I want to do one of these because these are super cute. I like this one, somebody's problem. Let's do that. So we're gonna go ahead, use the heat resistant tape again. Just place this here. And again, I'm gonna bend it just like this a little bit so I can get the center. And I think I need to move it up a little bit. I think that one would have looked better if it was moved up a little bit, but it was my first time. All right, you guys ready? Let's go ahead, press it down, make sure it's tightened. Okay. Yeah, that was so cute. Let's go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna take the tape off. All right, so let's go ahead, let's take the heat resistant tape off of here. That is really cute, and there's another piece of tape. Isn't that adorable? This was so easy to do. I think I would have definitely, this is the one I would have moved up a little bit more, just about 1/4 of an inch. I think it should be up here a little bit, but it's my first time. I have to say that is so adorable. And we're ready to go ahead and remove this as well. This, I really like this hat press. It was so easy to use. Okay, so look at this. That is so cute. Look at that, so cute. So right now, GochiFix is offering my viewers 30% off with the code CREATIONS. Last I checked, the hat press was priced about $159.99 and already had a 20% off coupon. And yes, you can stack that with my 30% off code. So I'm not sure how long that deal will last. So if you've been thinking about grabbing one, I'd definitely jump on it soon. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.